In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a file via a Google Drive link using Yahoo Mail. Whether you're collaborating on a project or simply sharing memories with friends and family, knowing how to efficiently and securely share files is a valuable skill in our digital age. Let's dive in and get started. First, we need to head over to Google Drive. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Drive homepage. This is where all your files are conveniently stored and ready to be shared. Once you're on Google Drive, locate the file that you wish to send. It could be a document, a spreadsheet, a presentation, or even a photo album, whatever you need to share. Now, here's a simple and crucial step. Right-click on the file you wish to share. This action will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, you'll want to select the option that says Get Link. By doing so, you're taking the first step in generating a shareable link for your file. Next, you'll need to determine how you want to set the link access permissions. A common choice for many is to set it as anyone with the link can view. This option ensures that whoever receives the link will be able to view your file without needing to request permission. However, if privacy is a concern, Google Drive offers various settings, such as restricting access to specific people or allowing only certain actions like viewing or commenting. Take a moment to consider which option best suits your needs. After setting your desired link access, it's time to copy that link. Simply hit copy link and this will store the link in your clipboard, making it ready to be pasted wherever you need. This link will now be your gateway to securely share your file with others. The next step involves heading over to your Yahoo Mail account. Start by composing a new email, entering your recipient's email address and any subject or message body you wish to include. Once you're ready to add your file, simply paste the Google Drive link into your email. This can be done by right-clicking in the body of the email and selecting Paste, or using the familiar keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Finally, with your link inserted and your message crafted, it's time to send your email. Look for the Send button, usually found at the bottom or top of your email window, and with a simple click, your message will be on its way. Your recipient will receive the email with the Google Drive link, allowing them to access the file just as you intended. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to share files using Google Drive links through Yahoo Mail. This method not only streamlines the process of file sharing, but also offers flexibility in how people can interact with the shared content. Thanks for watching.